Hi guys, welcome back with my news video. In this video, there are 5 I want to show you. And there is a new tool in Microsoft Word. First, how to insert online video. Second, how to insert pictures online. Third, how to insert icon. 4. How to insert 3D animation pictures in Microsoft Word. And the last one, how to insert draw to show on tab. Alright, I want to show you first about how to insert video online in Microsoft Word. So first, click on Insert tab. Next, click on Online Video. And after, find the link video and paste in this box. For example, I opened the YouTube and I choose any one video that I want to show in my document. And next, I copy the link. And after, press in the box and click OK. So the video will show on my document. And next, if you want to crop, you can click on this button and pull it down. You can do like this. The video is already cropped. If you want to play the video, click on the links of the video and the videos will play in your document. Alright. With the insert online video, I finished. So we go on how to insert online pictures in Microsoft Word. So here that is the second of the example, how to insert online picture in Microsoft Word. So first click on Insert tab and click on Pictures. And next click on Online Pictures button. So here you see that there are a lot of the pictures that you can insert in your document. So in this box, you can search any picture that you like. So I enter the cat. And next, I click on these pictures and insert. So you see that the picture will show on your document. Next, if you want to edit your pictures, click on this button and you can edit your pictures also. So next, if you want to crop the video, click on this button and click crop. And next, you can do like this to crop your pictures. And one more, I want to show you how to move size pictures in Microsoft Word. So if you have a pictures like this and you want to move size, you can do like this. Click on squares of the pictures and you can zoom out or zoom in. And for example, you don't do like this. If you do like this, it means that your pictures will lose size. Okay, with the insert online pictures, I finish. Next, how to insert icon in Microsoft Word. Alright, if you want to insert the icon in Microsoft Word, you can click on Insert. Next, click on Icon button, this one. And next, there are a lot of icons that you want to show in your document. And you can choose any one of the icon that you like. So here, I click on Medical, the icon this one and this one. I choose 3 icon and click Insert. So after, the icon will show on the document. And you can move size and crop with your icon also. Alright, with Insert icon, I think that you understand. So we go on to the number 4, how to insert 3D animation. So this is, for example, the picture animation, and you can insert the 3D animation pictures on your document. So if you want to show the 3D animation, first click on Insert. Next, click on 3D button. And after, click on Stock 3D Model. And it will show the dialog box, and there are a lot of animation. You can choose any animation or enter the word that you want to show on your document. So I choose this 3D animation and click Insert button. And next, the 3D animation will show on my document like this. And you can edit with zoom in or zoom out like this. Anyway, if you want to change the animation model, first click on Picture and click on 3D model and choose any style that you see here on this box. Alright, with the number 4, I explained you about how to insert the 3D animation in Microsoft Word is like this, and you can try with your Office Word also. Now, next to the number 5, that is the last one, how to show the Draw tab in Microsoft Word. Before I show the Draw tab, I want to explain you that the advantage of the Draw tab here. You can use pen to edit or highlight your document, to explain the something to somebody. First, if you want to show the Draw tabs, click on File. Next, click on Option. And after, click on Custom Rebound. Next, check on this box and click OK. The Draw tab will show on the top here, and you can choose the pen to highlight on the document. Okay, with this sharing I finished, and I want to sum up points in this video. First, how to insert online video. The second, how to insert the online picture. And third, how to insert the icon. And fourth, how to insert 3D animation. And the last one, how to show Draw tab in Microsoft Word. So in this video, I hope that you understand and you can do it well. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.